So Surah Al-Ma'idah is a very important surah. It is the last surah. If you look at the series of surahs that come in the beginning of the Quran, we started with Al-Fatiha, which is the opening. It is also called Ummul Kitab, the mother of the book. It is an introduction to the rest of the Quran. And then the next four surahs, Al-Baqarah, Ali Imran, An-Nisa, Al-Ma'idah. All four of these are Madani surahs, which means they were revealed primarily in Medina after the Prophet ﷺ and the Muslims had migrated or emigrated to Medina. The next surah after that will break this sequence. And when we come to it, we'll talk about it. Suratul An'am. We'll talk about it when we come to it. So this surah is a link between the passage or the sections in the Quran that will make that transition. And also Al-Ma'idah also, came down towards the very end of the prophetic mission, which is why you will see a lot of comprehensive guidance for the Muslims to build their communities, especially with other faith communities. And these other faith communities could be the people who may not be following Islam, or who may be people of the book. Again, the people who may not be following Islam the way it should be followed. And he talks about some important legal principles as well as conditions for when to apply those legal principles, or what we call Sharia in Arabic. And it also clarifies some theological misconceptions. One is, so we can give effective dawah to the people around us, because this Quran is not just meant for the Muslims. It is the book that we should be sharing. The message of that book should be understood by us, shared with our neighbors, first through our actions, and then through our words.